Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today in this video. So I'm going to prepare with you today these banana chocolate bran muffins, and they are very delicious and healthy at the same time. I will leave a list of the ingredients at the description box. So here I just want to give quick facts about bran and how it's really good for you, for your health and for your guts, and it's a very good source of fiber. And they mentioned that it's good for high blood pressure and high cholesterol, and also it helps with constipation. If you eat it with yogurt for breakfast or you add it to your cereals in the morning, it's a really good addition. Without further ado, let's jump to the recipe. So first thing before we start is to preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit. And then I will roughly mash the 3 bananas. So it doesn't have to be really smooth and mushed all the way. It can have small bits or chunks left. After I mash the bananas, I will put them aside and then grab 2 mixing bowls, one for the dry ingredients and one for the wet ingredients. In the first mixing bowl, I will add 1 cup of flour durum or just all-purpose flour, and then 1 cup of all bran, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, and then 2 tablespoons of cocoa. I used flour durum because it's healthier and it makes the muffins more fluffy and nice. But if you can't find it at your local grocery store, you can just use all-purpose flour. After I add all the dry ingredients, I will just give it a quick mix and put it aside. After that, I will grab my second mixing bowl and I will cream the butter, the sugar, and 1 egg first. And then after that, I will add the second egg. And now I will add the sour milk and the mashed bananas. I will just give it a quick mix, then we can go to the second step. And when mixing the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients, try not to overmix it. Otherwise, the muffins will have a bread texture instead of being soft and fluffy and crumbly. So try to mix it only until the flour get incorporated with the wet ingredients, and that's it. Now I grabbed my muffin bacon tray. It's a non-stick one made out of silicone. You can choose not to grease it if you don't like to, but I just wanted to have that coconut oil flavor, so I greased it a little. If you don't have the non-stick bacon sheet, you'll have to butter it or grease it with some oil. Now, as you see, I'm filling the sheets with the batter, and I made the mistake of overfilling them, so don't do the same thing and fill them only like 3/4 of the way. Otherwise, they will overflow. And these are the muffins after they came out of the oven, 25 minutes, and they are very delicious. The only mistake that I did is that I overfilled them, so don't do the same thing, please, and only fill them 3/4 of the way. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and ring the bell. Don't forget to leave me your comments, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And until I see you next time, please be safe. Bye bye.